Evolve, put an eye on this. This is much cheaper and I don't have any problem of connection with the controls. Hi everyone, Marcus here from MADpack, and let's open this one and see what comes inside the box. Inside the big box you have other two boxes, so let's open this one first. And when you open, what you are going to find your manual, you are going to find your charger, and this one is a 1.8 volts. I would like to have seen something with more voltage, but also you will never have a charger of this size, so that is something good if you need to travel and put this on your backpack. You are going to find your skateboards too, and you have here the control. Like I was saying before, the material, it's okay, is much better than the control that you can find on the Raleigh Carbon AT. But when you press it, it turns on and you can hear this beeping, something that I really like. You have the reverse. Something that I'm not really convinced is about the wheel. And by the way, when we talk about recharging this one, you have to use a USB. It's not USB-C, but what we can do about what we have to offer to you guys. Basically, what you are going to receive is some silicone protections for your deck to put on the front and back that you are not paying. You are going to receive sleeves, and this one is also for free. There are extra ones, and also you are going to receive some front extra wheels. This is all for you if you want to purchase with the link that I will leave to you guys. The polyurethane is quite soft. I believe that is like a 78A, 75A, but I have to check it after when I start riding what is the experience that you can take from these wheels. So when you see this electric skateboard for the first time, your first impressions are really good. I really like the deck, I really like how thin it is. I can't believe that you have a battery inside this one. The grip tape is not the best grip tape that I had, but you have some cushions below to absorb more the impacts with the floor. The wheels, like I said, they seems good, but I can only give you my opinion when I start riding. When you turn upside down, I really like the design once again, and you have plenty of stickers saying to you that you can die. You have to protect yourself. This is not a toy. So I really like the back of it. This is in metal, at least it seems. It's really cool to the touch. You have here the button to turn on and turn off, and you have a red LED. You have the charging port. This electric skateboard will not come with any USB port to charge your phone or your control, but even the trucks, this seems really well made. The cables, they've thought in everything. It looks really nice. So right now is one of the most important parts when I do an unboxing of an electric skateboard, is the connection with the control. If it's fast or not, if I have any problem to connect, and if you see here, it's already connected and I have already a reaction here. So you have 4 modes with this control. You have the lowest mode, so you have M for medium, high plus. When we are using in the lowest mode, the maximum it's 11 kilometers per hour. When we pass to the medium, it's already 24 kilometers per hour. When we go to high mode, it's 38 kilometers per hour. And when we go to the H plus, is 28 kilometers per hour once again. So when we talk about reaction, it's quite good. So the first impression, I have to tell you guys, is really good. I think that the form factor is good, is really lightweight. I like how the cables goes inside the deck. I love the design on the bottom, it looks gorgeous. I think they've done everything well. The control, it should feel a little bit heavier to feel a little bit more robust in my hand, but I like the screen, I like the controls. But if you have any questions about this one, or if you want to know everything about this one, stay tuned for the other video that I'm going to do with 200 or 300 miles. I'll be able to tell you everything and if it's a good buy or not. Before you go, thank you very much to be in that side. My name is Marco, this is MADpack. If it's your first time here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, comment below, smash the thumbs up, do whatever you want, but always with a smile on your face, and I hope to see you in the next one.